1.7 million pilgrims arrives in Makkah for Hajj rituals. Israel to build 2,300 illegal houses in West Bank. Israel to join US-led coalition in Persian Gulf. US-led coalition to boost size of Syrian partner forces. Jordan and Qatar discuss boosting military ties. Majority of Canadians against religious symbols law. EU announces $142 million fund to refugees in Turkey. Somali forces retake militant Al-Shabaab held town. Kashmir tensions, Malaysia asks India and Pakistan to talk. OIC expresses concern over India's Kashmir move. Pakistan downgrade ties with India over Kashmir crisis. Kashmir remains cut off from outer world.